Hello everyone, this is Paukshte Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. I also want to remind you that some of my video courses are already available. Buy them if you haven't done it yet. I would really appreciate your support. Today, I'd like to give you a review of my new blouse. It's made of silk. The neckline, the bottom, and the sleeves are decorated with lace. First, I wanted to have a look at the blouse while I'm wearing it, and then I'll put it on the table to show you the wrong side of it. I love lace. I think that garments decorated with lace look very beautiful. I want you to understand that they're suitable not only for some special occasions, but also for everyday life. It's not necessary to buy very expensive lace. Nowadays, there are a lot of different types of lace for different budget. The blouse is pretty loose. It's not close-fitting, but it's not too baggy either. Have a close look here. It might seem that the blouse is too loose, but you can clearly see now that it's not. As I've said, the bottom of the front is decorated with lace. There is an overcast on the back. The back is a bit longer than the front. The sleeves are very beautiful. There are two chest darts on the front. The neckline is round and it's also edged with lace. Of course, it's not easy to stitch the lace this way, but you can learn to do it. Practice makes perfect. You can wear such blouse with a jacket or without it. I think that everyone should have at least one silk top in a wardrobe. This is the only one I have. Have a close look at the blouse this way once again. And then I'll take it off and put it on the table to show you the wrong side. Have a close look here. The bottom of the top on the back is overcast. The front is decorated with lace. The lace was stitched with the zigzag seams, and the extra pieces of silk on the wrong side were accurately cut. Such details look absolutely amazing. It requires some hard work and patience to make such details. I showed you the bottom of the blouse, both the front and the back. Let's have a look at the neckline. Decoration on the neckline is more complicated. First of all, it's not easy to lay out the lace around the neckline. It wouldn't fit in it. First, you need to cut the lace into pieces and stitch them carefully. Have a close look at the seams. They're tiny. The work is very delicate. There are no seams on the front. It makes it seem like this is a one-piece detail. This is the only way to lay out the lace on the neckline this way. These details were also stitched with the zigzag seams. You should check every single detail before you start stitching. Everything should be perfect. If you make mistakes, you will damage the whole garment. Have a look at the shoulders. There are 4 scallops here, 2 on each side. There is no lace attached to the lower part of the armhole. Have a close look at the shoulder. It only seems to be easy to make such a blouse. If you try to be creative, if you are patient, and you are ready to work hard, you will be able to make such wonderful garments. Practice makes perfect. I wanted to be able to sew and wear anything you want. This is high quality French lace. It's very beautiful. I have it in black, beige, and white colors. You can also combine beige silk with black lace, for example. It would look very stylish. Have a close look here. I love it. I love lace decorations. They make garments more interesting and stylish. Don't be afraid of working with lace. Of course, it is a delicate work, but practice makes perfect. I show you a lot of different sewing techniques. I show you a lot of useful and interesting designs. Don't be afraid of experiments. Don't hurry, and remember that practice makes perfect. You can make lace decorations not only in blouses, but also in dresses, nightgowns, robes, and so on. Be creative. Sew garments of different designs. Combine fabrics, combine colors. Use lace for decoration. Don't be afraid of anything. Remember that practice makes perfect. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Irina Paukshte. Buy my courses, subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.